Have you noticed those tiny cooking videos taking over Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts lately? They're everywhere, and for good reason. They're incredibly satisfying to watch. Seeing miniature chefs prepare tiny meals with realistic details is oddly relaxing, and people can't seem to stop watching. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment, editing skills, or even a real miniature kitchen anymore. Thanks to AI, you can create these videos in just a couple of minutes. Take a look at this TikTok page. It has already grown to more than 495 lakh followers by posting only one type of content: AI-generated miniature cooking videos. And one of its videos has already reached over 24 million views. That's the kind of viral potential this niche has right now. So let me show you exactly how you can make videos like these completely free. First, check the description below. I've already prepared a detailed prompt for you, so you don't have to write anything yourself. Simply open the prompt file and copy everything from beginning to end. Next, head over to Google Flow. Once you're there, click on the video option at the top of the page. Then select OmniFlash as your video model. After that, set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now paste the prompt you copied into the prompt box. Here's the fun part. At the very beginning of the prompt, you'll see a place where you can customize the food. Simply replace it with whatever dish you want the AI to create. For example, you could type sandwich pizza, sushi burger, pancakes, chocolate cake, ramen fried chicken. You can experiment with almost any food you can think of, and each one creates a completely different miniature cooking experience. For this example, I'm going to use sandwich. Once you've entered your food, click Generate. Now sit back and let the AI do all the work. Within seconds, Google Flow will create a complete cinematic miniature cooking video featuring tiny chefs, realistic cooking animations, detailed ingredients, and incredibly satisfying visuals. The results are honestly amazing. It looks like something that would normally take hours to animate, but AI creates it in just moments. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to discover more viral AI content ideas before everyone else, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I share the latest AI tools, viral niches, and step-by-step tutorials to help you create amazing content faster than ever. I'll see you in the next video.